Yeah, hello guys. Okay, today we are going to be looking at weekly report, market report for June 20th. This market report is a weekly breakdown of what happened in the market the previous week, and is the information you get from this previous week market report that will help your decision for the new week. Yeah, so this market report used to come out, is this Sunday, when market close by Friday for the week, either Sunday or Monday. Yeah, Monday in the midnight or Monday morning the report will come out. So you look at the report and that will guide your decision for the new week. So that's why every week I do this market report. Every week I do this market report for you to know what is going on in the market. So do follow me consistently. They look at products, that is equity. Equity means shares. A total turnover of 3.566 billion shares worth of 115,403 billion in 99,960 deals was traded this week, that is the week ended, by investors on the floor of the exchange, in contrast to a total of 2.057 billion shares valued at 51.015 billion that the exchange has last week in 65,016 deals. So the financial services industry measured the volume, led the activity chart with 2.166 billion. So the financial services, that is the bank and other financial services, they led the trading, okay, for the week ended. Then you now see shares value at 62.046 billion traded in the 45,851 deals. Okay, so this is the analysis. The trading in the top three equities, namely, we have the top three equities. We have the Zenith Bank PLC, we have the Champions Breweries PLC, we have the Access Holding, that is Access Bank. Then according to 1.003 billion shares worth 26,076 billion in 14,232 deals, contributing 28.14 deal and 22.60% to the total equity turnover volume and value respectively. So this is the thing. Look at the equity turnover for the last 5 days. The last week I did was 3 days because market opened for a 3-day. But the last week, this week, that is from 20th now down, market opened for 5 days. That's from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So look at the breakdown. Equity turnover on 16th, there was over 22,000 deals. Turnover was 721 million. Turnover by volume and turnover by value was 22 billion. Traded stocks 125. So this is just the breakdown day by day of how the market moved, of how the market went. Okay, distribution of quantity traded. When you look at finance, is the highest traded, which is 61%. You look at consumer goods, 16%. You look at services, 5%, and others is 18%. So these things will give you an idea of what to do or how to trade for the, or how to invest for the new week. And look at the weekly report, ETP. ETP. I want to show you something. Let's check something here. ETP. Exchange traded product. That is the meaning of ETP. Exchange traded product. That's what I want to show you, so that when you are seeing these abbreviations, you know what, you're able to know what it means. So this is weekly report for ETP, exchange traded products. Now this exchange traded product is, they are not like companies. Some of them are, look at this gold, look at gold, new gold is just like it's just like, instead of you to go to the market to buy gold and keep it for you to appreciate, if you are doing it, you are having the risk of theft. Somebody can come and steal your gold. But for you to avoid the risk of theft, you just buy this kind of exchange traded product. Like new gold is a gold, as you buy it is a gold. You buy it, you keep it with them. When you want to sell, you just sell it. So this is weekly report. So a total of 31,960 unit value at 5.800 million we are traded this week in 144 deals, compared with a total of 24,880 units valued at 8.881 million transacted last week in 92 deals. So that is the thing. Okay, well, this is the exchange traded product. You have vet bank. These are bank stocks that are organized together. These are bank stocks. 16 deals, 13,000, over 13,000 volume, then value 163,000. It has Stanbic ETF. We have vet goods. You have, look at so many of them. Lotus Hala. This Lotus Hala is an Islamic investment something. So the ETF, exchange traded product, you can see the total breakdown. Total deals is 144, volume 30 over 31,000, value 5 million over 5 million. Then we have a lot of bond that was traded during the week. Total of 106,836 units valued at 104 million we are traded this week in 58 deals, compared with a total of 38,597 units valued at 37.536 million transacted last week. Okay, so these are bond FGN Sukuk, a lot of Sukuk. This Sukuk bond or this Sukuk money, they are used for infrastructure. So we have 16 bonds that was sold within the week. Now you look at the index movement. Okay, So we'll now look at a weekly report for indexes. We have all share index. Look at them. We have all share index. We have NGX main board index. You can see their breakdowns. We have CG index. We have premium index, banking index, pension index, insurance index. This banking index is all these companies that are under the banking sector, their index. They put them together. This one is insurance, the same thing. Look at just the indexes: growth index, sovereign bond index, and so on and so forth. So this is what the Nigeria Stock Exchange brings out every week. We'll just look at it briefly and know what to do. But me, I use more of technical analysis. I'll come here to look at what the report says. Then I'll jump over to technical analysis. Then weekly report will have summary of price changes. You can see it. This is where I look at very well, because with these companies, the company that have top 10 price gainers, I'll look at them and use them to do my technical analysis. Some companies that are here might continue to grow within the new week, or they might go back and become losers. So here I pick these companies and do technical analysis on them. From there I'll select the one I buy. You know me, I like penny stocks very well. As I'm looking at here, only this Ella Lakes is the only penny stocks that are here. Other ones has grown above penny stocks. So summary of the price changes: 55 equities appreciated in price during the week, the same as 55 equities in the previous week. 42 equities depreciated in price, higher than 39 in the previous week, while 51 equities remained unchanged, lower than 54 recorded in the previous week. Okay, to look at top 10 price gainers. Ella Lakes, he gained 1 naira. Then percentage is 23% in change. Okay, so he closed at 5 naira. So he opened by 4.3 naira and closed 5.3 is 1 naira. That's correct. You have Better Glass company, 44 naira. What? They did massive. 44 naira in 1 week. Wow. And there are 230. Oh, what? You have Living Trust Mortgage Bank. It's a microfinance bank. 5.72. He opened and closed. He tried now 1 naira. In profit 1 naira per shares. Can you imagine if you have like 1,000 units? This Better Glass, if you have like 1,000 or 19,000 units, you know how much you must have cashed out for just 1 week, within 1 week. When you calculate it now, do you know how much you must have cashed out? 44. If you have 19,000 units, let me check calculator. You see what I'm telling you. Let me do calculator. Let me show you calculator now. If you have, let's say, this is how much that beta glass is increased by 44.90. 44.90. let's say if you have 19,000, okay, let's just say if you have 5,000 times times 5,000 1 2 3 equals to how much? 224,500 in 1 week. In 1 week, just 5,000 units. Let's even say if you have, I don't hear now this thing. Let's say if you have, even if it's 1,000, 1 2 3 times 44.90 is give you 44,900, yeah, in 1 week. And somebody will say there's no money in the stock market. Somebody will say you don't have, there's no money in the stock market. Look at this one. Look at this Presco opened at 985 naira and closed in 1,100 naira, which is what, 115 naira in 1 week per stock. Yeah, who is that? Oh motherfucker. Yeah, look at all this company. Guarantee Trust Bank, yeah, 13 naira in 1 week. Name Insurance, 2 naira in 1 week. Legend Internet Distant, 0.83, that's 83 kobo. Presco, how much? 115. Seplet is oil company. What is this? No, look at Presco, Seplet. Oh boy, I know, like 7 years ago this Seplet was listed on the Nigeria Stock Exchange by 100 naira per unit. That is 7 years ago. Now it's 4,000 something. 4,000 something. It's 5,000 already. 5,000 something. In 1 week he gained 485 naira. Oh. Look at top 10 price decliners. All these ones that are here, you see them as price decliners. They will still go up. Maybe by next week, they will still, anything that goes down will go up. That's how the market moves. You see all these penny stock, that's what I love to buy. All these ones, I'll just these decliners now. Since market has opened this week, I'll just search them and see if there is opportunity I will see in them. Check it now. Maybe I'll do a video and show you how I pick it. Okay, so this Nigeria floor meal, not Nigeria floor meal, they opened at 112 and closed at 93. They lost 19 naira. That is 17%. Sunu Assurance opened 5.23, close 4.56. okay, lost 67 kobo per share. Oando lost 8 naira per share. International Energy 17 kobo lost. Omatech just 0.06 lost. I didn't lose much. VTN Group 1.29, 20 naira. Red Star just 60 kobo. C&I leasing just 30 kobo. Lasacoin assurance 20 kobo. Okay, these are the ones that had price adjustment. Okay, look at weekly report. Proposed right issues. Shams Holding Company PLC proposed right issues. Wow, let's look at this news. Trading license holders are hereby notified that Shams Holding Company PLC, the company has, through its stockbrokers, Tido Securities Limited, Cowrie Securities Limited, APT Securities and Fund Limited, Lambert Capital Limited, and CSL Stockbroker Limited, submitted an application to Nigeria Exchange Limited for the approved and listing of a right issue. They want to do right issues of 2 billion. These right issues, common people don't buy it. People that buy these right issues are people who have their stock before. Is when they say public offer. When they say public offer, that is when, if you don't have their stocks before, that's when you will buy. But if you don't have their stocks before, it's only people, you cannot buy it. It's only people that have their stocks before that are allowed to buy right issues of any company. So have 348 million and 30,000 ordinary shares of 50 kobo each at 1 pound a share in the basis of 1 new order shares for every 2 ordinary shares held as at the close of business on Monday 16th. Okay, the qualification date for the right issue is 16th June 2025. That was last week. Listing. Okay, Nigeria Exchange Group PLC listing of NGX 30Z5 and NGX pension Z5 futures contract. They just listed this one. Trading license holders and the investing public are hereby notified that NGX 30Z5 and the NGX pension Z5 futures contract were listed on the Nigeria Exchange Limited NGX on Monday 16 June 2025. So these are the details of the listing. Go through it. Look at supplementary listing. Sterling Financial Holding Company PLC listing of, they listed another 6 billion, over 6 billion ordinary shares of 50 kobo each. They listed more shares of their company. Trading license holders are hereby notified that additional over 6 billion ordinary shares of 50 kobo each of Sterling Financial Holding Company PLC were on Tuesday 17 June listed on the daily official list of the Nigeria Exchange Limited. Okay, this is a weekly report. This is lifting of suspension. Okay, notification on lifting of suspension placed on trading on the shares of Thomas Watt Nigeria. They have lifted the suspension, so you can now trade in their shares in their company. If you have done your analysis and you know they will be profitable for you, you can buy. So this is the weekly report for the week past. So with this information, especially the top gainers and top losers, I will use them to do technical analysis and see stock to buy for the week and sell for the next week. Thank you very much. So go to the description of this video. You are going to see more information. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, share this video. Yes, share the video. Join my Telegram group. Go to the description, join my Telegram group. I release a lot of stock pick, a lot of financial market education. If you don't have an account, go to the description of this video. You are going to see my recommended stockbrokers. Register with them and join my Telegram. All right, I still have a private mentorship program. You see it in the description of this video. It's a one-on-one program, how to trade and make money from the financial market. So subscribe to this channel, share the video. Thank you very much. Bye for today.